Number 1.
1983 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, classic two-door regular cab pickup featuring a clean title and a rear-wheel drive configuration. It is equipped with a fuel-injected Vortec 5.3L V8 engine with approximately 160,000 miles, paired with a dependable 4L60 automatic transmission that provides smooth shifting and strong performance. Running on gasoline, the truck benefits from a cold air intake along with upgraded headers and an aftermarket exhaust system, giving an improved airflow, enhanced power delivery, and a more aggressive exhaust note. The exterior stands out with 22-inch American racing wheels wrapped in full-weight tires, offering a bold stance and a modern street truck appearance.
Additional upgrades include LED lighting, which improves visibility while adding a clean, updated look to the truck. Number 2.
1986 Mazda B2000, price $5,200. It is powered by a reliable gas 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, making it a fun and engaging truck to drive. The exterior is finished in a beige color that complements the brown interior nicely, giving it a timeless vintage look. The truck has received extensive recent maintenance and upgrades. It has had a full tune-up including new wires and spark plugs, the lower seals and front main seal have been replaced, and a brand new gas tank has been installed. The air conditioning is equipped, adding comfort for daily driving. The paint has recently been buffed and polished, and it looks excellent with a strong shine. It also sits on new tires mounted on centerline billet wheels sized 16x8, which are in great condition and enhance the overall appearance. The suspension remains stock, as the owner chose not to lower it. This keeps the truck looking clean and original while giving the next owner the freedom to either maintain its factory style or customize it further.
Number 3.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900, one-owner vehicle with only 92,000 original miles, making it a true all-original classic that has been very well cared for over the years. It is powered by a strong 7.4L V8 big block gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a clean and well-maintained gray interior. The vehicle comes well-equipped, featuring cold air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, cruise control, and a power driver's seat, which adds comfort and convenience for daily driving or long trips. Both the interior and exterior are extremely clean, reflecting the careful ownership it has received. It runs and drives excellent, and it comes with a clean title, making it a solid and reliable classic Chevrolet.
Number 4.
1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $9,999. Clean title pickup truck powered by a strong 5.9L gasoline engine with low miles, showing only 132,000 miles on the odometer.
It features a 4WD drivetrain paired with an automatic transmission, making it capable for both daily driving and off-road use.
The truck is finished in red paint and comes well equipped with power windows and power door locks, a power driver seat, tilt steering, and cruise control for added comfort. It is also fitted with an AM/FM Bluetooth aftermarket stereo and an Infinity sound system for improved audio quality. Additional features include running boards for easier access, a bed liner for cargo protection, a tow package for hauling needs, and off-road wheels and tires that enhance both appearance and performance. Overall, this Dodge Ram 1500 offers a solid combination of power, comfort, and utility.
Number 5.
1997 Ford F150, price $7,500, with 225,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. The truck features a red exterior paired with a gray interior, and it comes with a clear title in the owner's name. Overall, the truck is very clean and well kept for its age. Cosmetically, it is in good condition, with some noticeable paint fade on the hood and roof, along with a few small dings and minor dents throughout. Despite these imperfections, it remains in great shape considering its year. The interior is clean and complete, showing only minor wear. The windshield does have a crack on the passenger side. Mechanically, the truck has an EGR delete installed and is sitting on brand new tires. It also includes a tonneau cover, adding both utility and a clean look to the bed.
Number 6.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $6,000. It has been well maintained and is in very good condition. The truck has 131,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine. It features a green exterior with a clean gray interior. There have been no accidents, no wrecks, and no known issues, with regular maintenance performed throughout its life. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, timing belt, starter, and a full tune-up, and it runs great. The vehicle also comes with an Alpine stereo system, amplifier, and upgraded speakers, along with a bedliner and LED headlight bulbs. The interior is small but well kept, with seats and interior components in excellent shape.
Number 7.
1994 Ford F150, price $8,000, powered by a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with an E4OD automatic transmission, showing 156,000 miles. The truck features a green exterior with a tan interior and a fully functional 4x4 system. The vehicle runs and drives great, with cold air conditioning, strong heat, and properly working cruise control. There are no check engine lights, and it is described as a truck that could be driven anywhere with confidence. Recent maintenance includes new tires, ignition components, brakes, radiator, and fan clutch. It is also equipped with an Alpine Bluetooth radio and kicker speakers, adding a modern touch to the interior. There are a few minor flaws to note, including a cracked mirror, a non-working oil pressure gauge, and some worn paint on the hood and roof.
Number 8.
1997 Ford F150, price $3,499, with approximately 170,000 miles.
It features an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and is powered by a reliable V8 engine.
The truck comes in a blue exterior paired with a gray interior and is an extended cab model, offering extra space and practicality. Notably, this F-150 has zero rust, which is uncommon for its age, and it has clearly been taken care of throughout its entire life.
Overall condition is fairly clean, and it runs and drives exactly as it should. With consistent maintenance and no signs of neglect, it stands out as a great option for anyone looking for a dependable older Ford F-150 without the usual rust or wear issues. The truck comes with a clean title in hand and is a solid candidate for daily use or light work. Number 9.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,800, equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a gold exterior with a brown interior. The engine has been replaced, giving the truck reliable performance, and it currently runs and drives well. The interior is in acceptable condition for its age, providing a comfortable cabin overall, although there is a visible crack on the dashboard. The vehicle is fitted with a new air conditioning system that functions properly and helps keep the cabin cool, especially during long drives. This Chevrolet 1500 is a solid, dependable truck that has been maintained to stay road-ready and is suitable for daily driving or light work use.
Number 10.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000. This truck has 167,000 miles and is powered by a 350 small block Chevy engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and features a blue exterior. The truck is equipped with a non-AC cab, but the heater works great, making it comfortable to drive in colder weather. It also comes with manual windows and manual door locks. The truck has been well maintained and recently received several new parts, including a radiator, fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator, headlights, headers, muffler, spark plugs, battery, and windshield wipers. It is currently registered, tagged, and driven regularly around town, showing that it is a reliable and road-ready pickup.